Okay. Hi, so this is our Python parser project written in Antlr. So by now you should have followed all the instructions on our GitHub page, and you should have IntelliJ installed. You should have the Antlr4 plugin installed, which you can find in settings here, the Antlr4 version 1.24 or newer. And you should have installed this experimental.g4 file. You should have generated your Antlr recognizer, and you should be ready to right-click Start and hit Test Rule Start. And from there, you can input a text stream, and it should parse any valid Python code. So if we do like x is equal to 5, it'll make that assignment. So you have assignment variable x assigned to the value 5, or vice versa. You can have if statements. So if x is equal to 4, we can do x equals 4. Kind of redundant. We can also do if x equals 4 while x is equal to 4. We can have say x equal to 5. So that'll run once, but it doesn't really matter because it's made up code. It will have, you'll go from start, you'll have a control statement, which is this if, followed by its truth expression, then its statement block, and then followed by this while loop, which is nested within this control loop here. The while will have its truth expression, which again is this right here, followed by its own statement block, which consists of this assignment operation here. And then if we wanted to, we could do a for loop even. So for x in range 1, we'll have x be set to 1 or 2. Why not? I just misclicked. But again, it does something very similar where you have a loop and then you have the for and its conditions, its iterations, followed by a statement block and then its assignment. Yeah, if you write a comment, it will ignore it, so it won't actually parse your comment. So if I do comment, see, it won't actually parse that. It is written here, it's valid, it just will not touch it. So, yeah. If you don't feel like typing, I should also state, make sure you have this down here set to use tab character. Otherwise, it won't pick up your indentations. If you don't feel like typing anything, you can go to File. And as you can see, I already have a file loaded up, and it has the parse tree generated. However, this is only deliverable 2, so I'll go ahead and load up deliverable 3. And as you can see, it's as simple as clicking that, selecting the file you want, and then it inputs. Just so you know, you can't edit that. You can't edit the file. Don't try to. It won't work. But once you have the file loaded, it'll just automatically generate the whole parse tree. Very pretty looking. And as you can see, it generates the whole thing. But yeah, that is everything. That's how our parser works. My group mates will cover anything that I may have forgotten.
Yeah, and just as a reminder, we're using Antlr4 extension for IntelliJ. Any version above 2022.3. This is Antlr 4.13.2. And if there's any other problems, just look at our README on the GitHub page.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everything we've got to show. This is our group project. And then again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to look at the README file. Goodbye.